Alright, I am back, and I brought Armor All, because this thing is disgusting. I'm gonna clean this, then I'm just gonna try my best to take it off. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I am back, and I cleaned it. Well, it looks better than what it was, but not the best. Yeah, that's unfortunate, but I think if I shift it, it's in neutral now. Oops. Okay. I forgot it also has no brake, so you can't really do much. But if I pull it forward, I think I can. See, I just pull it forward. It has no, like I said, it has no brakes because the brake line is it's done for. So we gotta replace that. We gotta tow it, replace it. Yeah, it kind of sucks. That's why you've probably seen this brake fluid here. Yeah, older trucks too. .3 brake fluid. That's what older trucks, well, some older trucks use. So I think, I'm not too sure on that, so might be all, I don't know. So I'm gonna pull this forward and do that. Yeah, okay. I don't want to hold you guys on for too long, so I'm gonna. Okay, I'm back, and just so you know, there's a little, I don't know if you see, but right here, that little thing right there, clicks onto that, and it just pops right off. I forgot to tell you, this also has overdrive on this vehicle, and I'm gonna end up taking overdrive out because I heard I really don't need it. I don't think I do need it. I'll probably call someone and ask them if I actually even do need it. But I just kind of ripped that off. It's getting progress. It's getting stuck right there. I don't know what's right there. I think it'll just come off, hopefully. But hopefully I don't have to do anything else. I might have to pop it off. I might have to do something with my knife. Hopefully not. You guys probably know a little more than I do. I this is my first time doing the shifter on this car. I've done the ignition, I've done other stuff, but I haven't done this before. So I will be right back. I'll call that person and ask them if I need overdrive. And I'm gonna try to get this off even further. So hopefully this has been educational for you. I'm not gonna end the video, but I'm just saying, hopefully this is educational. Hopefully this helps you. Yeah, I'm gonna call that person and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I called the person. They said I do need overdrive for highway speeds, and if I take it out, it might not run right. So I am going to keep overdrive, and eventually I will build a button for it. I don't know where that button might be. It might be like over here. That thing right there is for the dual fuel tank, because it has two fuel tanks for a 92. I'm not sure if 96 has it, but I know that 92 up to 96 are very similar. That's why most parts are like 92 to 96, because they're pretty much very alike. No, that really doesn't make any sense, but they're very alike. So I'm going to try to pull this out. I guess this video's not, well, it's for the shifter, but I guess you can also use it for your ignition if you're trying to replace your ignition, because I had to take it out for this. Try to grease your parts. I don't have any grease for anything, but I know that greasing your parts are very important, or is a very important thing. So try to grease them. I know I'm not greasing them. You don't have to grease them, but you kind of do have to grease them. But I'm not doing it, so you really don't have to do it. But I know that it's pretty mandatory. I'm gonna try to take out the overdrive. I know this right here, I don't know if, yeah, this right here, I'm pretty sure is the overdrive, and that little thing right there, that's how you unplug the overdrive and everything, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna try to unplug the overdrive and try to take it out. It might be beeping all crazy on me after I do that and I put the ignition in, but yeah. Okay, bye. Okay, I found a little cool thing right here. Okay, so that bit right there, it snaps in there, and that's connecting the boot. Man, this is very complicated for a 92. Okay, well, I think it is, but I haven't really seen any complicated stuff so far besides this. So, and I'm sorry if I whisper sometimes, it's just how I talk sometimes. And there's a little button, it's sort of like a button right there. So when you push on that, like that, and just, you need to push that up, and that should get the boot loose. I have these wipes because, I don't like sticky stuff very much, so yeah, there we go. That got the boot loose. It's hard to do a one-hand camera here. But that got the boot loose, and I'm pretty sure if yeah, that's definitely, okay. That's out now. Yeah, if you pull on this, and okay, that still has the, I don't know if you can see there, but it still has the overdrive on it. I'm gonna try to, I didn't unplug this yet. It's just kind of weird. I never unplugged something, so not like this. So I'm gonna try to get that off. And yeah, okay, yeah, it's almost done. Sorry if this is a long video. I'll try to cut it up a little bit, but yeah. Okay, I'm back, and got a little hot in here, so I'm gonna prop the door open with my foot. Yeah, I am so dumb that I was sitting here for 5 minutes and I couldn't get it. I looked up videos and stuff. All I had to do is, there was like a, see this little thing, you gotta flip that up a little bit. There's, you probably can't see it. And you just pull this out. So, way easier than I thought, trying to pull out the wrong thing. And, stupid events led up to that. So, okay. So, if I just pull this up, yeah, okay. Now I can see under there. And that little pin there, I don't know what I'm thinking, okay. This little pin here, if I pull this out, this should come out. Because yeah, it's a little pin. It's not a little nail, it's a little pin. Do you see that? Right there. It's a little pin. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out with my pliers. I don't have the right pliers here, but I'm just gonna pull it out with these pliers right here. So, I should show some of this, but I don't really know how to get it up through there. I probably should have shown stuff more in this video, but it's kind of hard to do it one hand, harder than I thought, so you don't know. I have some problems with speaking sometimes, so I'm gonna just stop it right here. And if you're doing this, on your truck, it's this little pin. I'm gonna try to pull it up or try to knock it loose from the bottom. I suggest you do the same, but that doesn't mean that you should do the same. So if I mess my truck up, you know, it's probably not gonna be my fault, but if you mess your truck up, but yeah, okay. I'm gonna get to it. Now mine here, I was just thinking, I think it's either a rounded off bolt or a pin. It might be a rounded off bolt. You never know. So if yours looks like a bolt, you know, just get the right size and pull it off. But mine, I don't know if it's a pin or a bolt. Okay, I'm gonna try to somehow screw it off, but I think it's a pin, so I don't know. I might be doing the wrong thing. Okay, guys, so I took a little nap and yeah, damn it. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and I wanted to take a break, so I took a little nap and stuff. So what I did here was I had a punch, but I kind of lost it. So what I used was this screwdriver, and I put it up against the other side of the pin. It wasn't a bolt, it was a pin, so I'm glad that was it. And I took a hammer and I knocked this side of it and got the pin loose. So what I'm gonna do here now is I'm gonna take some pliers and hopefully it'll come up. Yeah, okay. Gotta kind of wiggle it. There we go. I got the pin out, as you can see there. And hopefully this thing will just slide on out. Now I say hopefully because I don't know if it... There we go. Okay, yeah, it did. It just slid right out. Okay. So, it's a strange looking head. Hopefully, I don't know if it will, but, oh, I don't know if I got the right thing or not. Dang it, okay. So I might have to order another one. That really sucks. Okay. So, man, I really hate that. So I got the wrong head. It said it was universal, so that kind of, that's a bummer. Okay, so I'm gonna try to, I don't know, I'm gonna try to get the thing off and hopefully I can, I don't know if this one comes off or not. It looks like it's not. It looks like it's built in. I'm gonna try my best though to just switch it over, but I don't think it will. Okay, well, I don't know what to say here, guys. If you got the wrong one like me, you know, just order the other one. Probably put the other one back in if you have to use your truck stuff. I'm 15 and I have my permit, so I can't really do it right now. So I'll probably have to put it back in. But, you know, just repeat not repeat, but like reverse it, all the steps and stuff, and just, you'll have it done there. Just put the boot back over the new one, and you should be done. I'm gonna try to figure it out. If I do figure it out, I'll start the video back up and probably make a part 2 or something, but I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, just try your best to repeat the process if you're doing it to your Ford or your truck and you got the same billet aluminum, or, you know, might be a different shape, but you know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, I'll probably make other videos too on this truck, and I'll probably show you what I've done, and I'll probably show you how to do it as well. Okay, well, bye. See you guys.